Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the traffic light puzzle box. This puzzle was designed by Lawrence Chen. Difficulty level of the traffic light puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to open the puzzle box. Yes, it is a huge puzzle box. It has a huge compartment inside. And it is not just a puzzle box, it is a sequential discovery puzzle box. That means that you will find tools within the puzzle that will help you to solve it. If you take a closer look at the puzzle, you will find that it has 3 lights, like a regular traffic light, red, yellow, and green. They are not lights, but they are made in these colors to look like a traffic light. It is a 3D printed puzzle, and it has a name of it 3D printed on the side, traffic light, and the name of the studio that made it, Creative Workshop CA. Each light has a cover on top. You can easily remove the cover. It is just for the decoration. You don't need it for the solution, so if you don't want to break it, you can just remove it. The red and green lights can be rotated both directions, but the yellow one can't be rotated. You can move it just a little bit, but that's it. If you shake the puzzle box, you will find that there is a lot going on inside. Probably there are a bunch of pins, or maybe there are just things to distract you and to give you a false hope to solve the puzzle, so you have to figure it out by yourself. If you take a closer look on the side, you will find that there is a small opening here and it has a red color, and on the other side there is another one, it has a green color. So maybe you will use this information when solving the puzzle. Since it's a puzzle box and it is a huge puzzle box, it has quite a roomy compartment inside. You can put a lot there, maybe money or something else, then close it, and maybe you can use this puzzle box as a gift box. It will be even more interesting to give a present in such interesting box and give your friend a hard time trying to reach his present. If you like the traffic light puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.